everyone, how's it going? So today's episode is actually going to be a little bit of a two-parter. So right now I'm heading over to a buddy's work to pick up something. So see you guys when we get there. Alright, so we're back from my buddy's work, and so let's see what we got here. Ah! Leather seats! 2 leather seats, actually. Back seat as well. So, let me go ahead and get these unloaded, and then we will talk about what all this is for and what it came out of. All right, so here we go. So we have a full set of dark gray leather seats, and these actually came out of another 2004 Colorado, but with only 26,000 miles on them. So these seats had actually been sitting in the junkyard since October at least, according to the information I got. So I do need to clean them up a little bit, but otherwise, I mean, for seats that are, 13 years old, I mean, I think they're in pretty good shape. So a lot of guys have said, oh, why didn't I just go ahead and get like the cat skin ones or some other recoverings for the cloth ones? And the reason I didn't is because the headrests on these are actually a separate piece. So I like the look of these much better. So another thing I did was got a hold of the connectors so I can wire up these seats. As you can tell, and back adjustment, going forward and back, lumbar support, and heat. So in the passenger seat, you have to recline it with that part, but everything else about the same. So like I said, I have to, now I'm gonna let the seats kind of sit. I'm gonna take them inside, but let them be in some warm weather, see if everything kind of goes back to the way it was. Like I said, I need to clean them up a tad, and I also need to read up on the wiring a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. So like most of these are shouldn't be too bad. Okay, that should be for driver's seat. So all right, so here we go. That's gonna be the end for this episode. Part 2 will be me actually installing these. Hopefully I get it done this week. I don't know, it's supposed to be cold still, so we'll see. But if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please ask. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.